Okay guys, I'm coming to you all a little different today. I am making for the first time, this is my second Christmas here in France, my first time really like doing what I normally do, which is I like to make Christmas goodies to give out. So I'm making some sugar cookies. I already did one batch as a tester. So I'm gonna do some gingerbread cookies, which I do have that in the fridge. I just have to cool first. Then I have the star. And then I also have the wreath. And the wreath is gonna be filled with a cherry like filling. So that's gonna be a little bit different. But we're gonna cut these out and we're going to put them in the oven. And these are going to be gifts. I put my oven on. I do not have a huge, what we normally have oven in the US. So I have a convection top oven. And so it does the job. I still got to figure it out because sometimes it's like, I don't know, it don't cook it enough or it cooked it too much. So it's still some figuring out to do, but I need to keep these kind of cool so that they don't lose their shape and spread too much. Once I put them, I need to re-roll this. Once I put them in the oven, let me just say, cookie artist, I'm a baker and I can do a lot of stuff. I could do French pastries, hell, I could do cakes, cupcakes, but these cookies, I'm gonna give y'all much of that on the cookies because when I tell you it takes a lot of time. So if somebody gives you homemade decorated cookies, or if you're trying to order some specially made decorated cookies for your event, don't be trying to be cheap with the folks doing the cookies because this is time consuming, very much so. So I'm in the Christmas spirit, in the Christmas mood. So voila. And we're gonna put those, let me get my mitt because this is still a little warm from the last batch. I'm gonna put this dough back in the refrigerator so it can cool and let you guys see. Whoa, there you go. They're the stars, the snowflakes rather. And we're gonna put those in this oven. For me, it's like 15 minutes. So let's see what we're gonna do. So we have the shortbread and we also have the sugar cookies done. Now we're gonna get to absolutely what makes Christmas cookies, and that's going to be the gingerbread men cookies. So gotta soften up this dough a little bit, and then we're gonna